up? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be demonstrating how to achieve this high top ponytail with the little wraparound at the top. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe and click the bell notification so you'll always see when I am uploading. Also, go ahead and follow me on my social media platforms, which I will have displayed at the end of the video. Before I get started, just please do me a favor and ignore my underarms here because I have to shave and it just is what it is, okay? So, yeah, let's just ignore that throughout this video. But first thing I am doing is straightening my hair because I want my ponytail to be nice and slick. So I'm going to first begin straightening all of my hair. So I am straightening my hair with a gloss therapy polisher to make it nice and smooth and shiny and really slick. So now I am brushing my hair up so that I can insert my ponytail exactly where I want it to be. And you don't want to make this part too tight because you want to be able to easily take the rubber band back out to make it nice and tight when you're done molding it. I am using my Care wax stick so that it can create a nice smoothness as well, because the spritz can make it very tacky like, which will make it very hard to keep smooth. So I find it that the wax stick makes it easier to create the ponytail and keeps it nice and smooth throughout you molding it. And now I am spritzing my hair. So I am pulling small pieces of my edges out that I'm going to be using to create my swoops on my sides. You don't necessarily have to do this. This is just what I wanted to do with my ponytail. So yeah. And now I am using my blow dryer for what I have already spritzed down to go ahead and mold it in place. So I am just repeating the same pattern between the spritz and the blow dryer all the way around. So now I am taking my ponytail out to go ahead and reapply it to secure it more so that it can be nice and tight. So even after you reapply the ponytail, it tends to get a little loose, or maybe that's just me. So I go right back in with my spritz and blow dryer to make sure it's slick once again, and making sure I go all the way to the top where the rubber band is, because you want to make sure that part is extremely molded so it doesn't move. Here I am taking my hair and braiding it straight down And what I'm going to do is loop it with the rubber band. You'll see the process and you'll understand better what I mean. But I'm going to loop it with the rubber band to create more of a thickness because I didn't want to add any weave to my hair. So you'll see what I am talking about. So to create that stiffness at the top where I'm going to be wrapping the hair around once I complete the ponytail, I'm applying rubber bands to make it extremely stiff so that it can stays up because I don't want my ponytail falling flat. I am using a hair strip to wrap around my braid to protect my hair from breaking from the glue. This is a very good thing to do if you don't want any breakage from the ponytail. So make sure that you spritz it all the way down, and once you start applying the glue, it's going to be nice and secure. So I grabbed me 2 bundles from the beauty supply. This is a 22 inch, both are 22 inches because I wanted my ponytail kind of long, but you know, you get whatever inch you want. So I ended up folding the bundle in half and gluing it closed because I wanted to make sure that I fit both bundles in because I wanted my ponytail a little full. I didn't want my ponytail thin at all. So if you want to make sure that it's full, I suggest go ahead and doing this method. I just glued it closed. I don't plan on using this hair again. So yeah, I glued it closed and then I applied it to my ponytail. So starting at the bottom, you're going to go ahead and take the hair and wrap it all the way to the top. now that I am all done, I'm going to grab a piece from the back of my hair and I'm going to use that piece to wrap around. What I'm going to do is use the spritz that I was using and comb it as I go, making sure it's nice and smooth all the way around, and using my blow dryer as well. Here you will see me switching between my Got To Be spray and my spritz, simply because my Got To Be spray was running out, so I was using both, but I would preferably use my Got To Be Free spray. So now that that is wrapped all the way around nice and tightly, I'm going to use my blow dryer to make sure that it is secured so it doesn't come apart. And now I'm going to go ahead and straighten it with my flat irons after combing it through, making sure there's no glue clumps in it at all. And finally, I'm just using some polish to make it nice and shiny. And then I'm going to spray it with my hair gloss again. And that is it. I really hope you all enjoy me creating this gorgeous look for you all. If you would like to see more hair videos from me, make sure to comment down below. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so you'll always see when I am uploading. And go ahead and follow me on all of my social media platforms. I mostly post on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on there so you can see some gorgeous pictures. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, loves.